International bolting standards call for a hardened washer to be placed under every threaded nut or bolt head in order to protect the flange surfaces from damage or embedment, provide a consistent low-friction turning surface under each nut, and to better distribute bolt load around the joint because of its larger surface area. The new HYTORC washer is a unique hardened washer that not only gives all of these advantages, but also becomes the reaction point for the torquing tool right under the nut, eliminates any possible pinch points for the operator's fingers, no searching for an external blocking point, no bending or side loading of the bolt, straight axial load, smooth, consistent, low-friction surface for the nut to turn on, full range of materials options for every application, works with both pneumatic and hydraulic torque tools, and with the addition of a companion friction washer, eliminates the need for a backup wrench to hold the opposite nut. Often, the back nut tends to turn during tightening, requiring the use of a clumsy and dangerous backup wrench, which creates a pinch hazard and may have to be beaten off. To eliminate this problem, simply insert the innovative friction washer under the back nut. Its dual knurled faces keep the nut from turning as soon as load begins to be applied to the bolt. Both it and the new HYTORC washer meet all the applicable standards for hardened washers and are both completely reusable. The key to getting all of the benefits of the new HYTORC washer is to use a dual drive and reaction socket, which holds on the washer and turns the nut against it. One method not only allows the new HYTORC washer to be used in areas where other tools will not fit, but it allows the simultaneous use of multiple tools to ensure parallel flange closure, and it works hands-free, even upside down. The secret is a simple, ingenious retainer that attaches to the powerful slimline stealth hydraulic wrench. The retainer kit consists of a thin reaction plate to hold on the new HYTORC washer, and a companion tool holding plate and a simple retaining nut that secures the unit onto the stud. Let's see how it works. With new HYTORC washers in place, knurled side facing the flange, snug the nuts so that 1 to 3 stud threads are exposed. Don't forget the friction backup washers under the opposite nuts. With the stealth in the tighten position, invert the tool and attach the reaction plate to the opposite side, engaging the dowel pins into the side plate, and secure it with an Allen screw. Flip the wrench again and insert the tool holding plate into the pins of the tighten side, securing it also with a screw. Now place the wrench tighten side away from the flange over the nut, seating the reaction plate onto the new HYTORC washer. Screw on the spring-loaded retainer by hand until snug. The wrench is now securely attached and will operate hands-free on vertical or even inverted applications. If you're using multiple tools, connect them all to a common hydraulic pump and bring your flanges together flat and parallel without anyone touching the tools. And don't forget, no backup wrench needed. To remove a nut, simply reverse the process. Begin with the stealth in the loosen position. Invert the tool and attach the reaction plate and secure it with a screw. Flip the tool and engage the tool holding plate. Place the tool onto the stud and the new HYTORC washer with the loosened side of the tool away from the joint face. Snug the retaining nut in place by hand and you're ready to go. Long stud? No problem. Just run the retaining nut down until the tool is secure against the joint. Remember that the new HYTORC washer can always function as if it were a generic hardened washer, and the nut can be tightened or loosened with any manual or powered bolting tool should the need arise, so you're never dependent on specialized tooling to apply or remove it if need be. So there you have it, the new HYTORC washer and the Stealth. Fast, safe, simple, and inexpensive. Why wouldn't you want to use these on every nut you tighten? See your sales consultant or call 1-800-367-4986 to schedule a free demonstration at your location.